How to change background color in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your CapCut application.
Hello guys, के तपाईहरु पनि म जस्तै 10
Now, go to edit. Select a photo or video you want to edit. Go all the way to the right and you will see background option. Then go to color, and from here you will be able to choose your background color like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.